Hello, friend Mormo here, and we're going to look at a video tonight about the top 7 products that are selling on Warrior Plus. And I was just going through my emails, and a writer I really admire their writing ability, and they published or they were advertising that they wrote some new articles and they were selling the PLR rights to them. And this one article really jumped out at me and was something I wanted to learn about and figured other people might want to learn about. So I just bought the article and then I punched it into my software and made a video. And the video is to my friend Sequoia Slents. It's a tribute video. He passed away a few months ago, and I was just thinking about him and thinking about one of his songs. He was in a punk band called Your Mom, and they had a certain song, and I made this video dedicated to Sequoia Slents, and let's
discover
watch.
the top 7 high-demand products on Warrior Plus. Most beginners to online marketing will inevitably stumble upon products sold on the Warrior Plus marketplace. It's important to know that Warrior Plus is a platform and not a vendor. Hundreds of vendors use this platform to sell their products because of all the nifty features it has. Warrior Plus is teaming with affiliates who are constantly looking for products to promote. So your chances of making sales from affiliates, on this platform, is higher than when compared to marketplaces like Gumroad. One downside of Warrior Plus. Before we even look at what the top selling types of products are, it's important to know that Warrior Plus doesn't have a very good reputation among many customers. This is unfair because they've been tarred with the same brush that was used on the shady vendors. While the platform is fantastic when it comes to creating sales funnels, running affiliate contests, paying affiliates, and so on, it is home to many shady vendors who create products that just don't work. Many don't honor their refund policies and disappear faster than David Copperfield when the buyer comes calling looking for a refund. To make matters worse, Warrior Plus has a deal of the day email, and very often, the products that get the dubious award and are promoted in the emails are less than stellar. This makes the platform knowingly or unknowingly complicit to the schemes of the dodgy vendors. That said, throwing the baby out with the bathwater is not the wise move here. In fact, if you're reselling products in other niches such as woodworking, self-help, pets, etc., you can use Warrior Plus without worry, since the audience in these niches don't have a bad impression of the platform. There is much that Warrior Plus has to offer, and if you're a reputable vendor who creates high-quality products, you'll still be able to leverage this platform and even make a 6-figure income from selling on it. The types of products that sell well. It's undeniable that online marketing products sell the best on Warrior Plus. That's because most products on the platform are geared towards this niche, and the top affiliates are in this niche too. If you wish to have a winning online marketing product, it's imperative that you create one that falls into the 7 categories below. Let's get started. 1. Make money online courses. This is the most common type of product sold, and it's the one that gets the most hate and brickbats too. Let's assume you have a high-quality training showing people how to make money online using Fiverr. If your product is detailed and shows the buyer exactly what to do, you'll probably have customers who start generating an income on Fiverr. Your product delivers what it says it will, and your training is not untested theory. Herein lies the problem. It's difficult to create a course like this without spending time in the trenches. What you teach must work in the real world. For you to do that, you need to test out your method first. Most of the dodgy marketers who are looking for quick profits don't want to put in the time and effort learning how to legitimately make money. Instead, they cook up cockamamie ideas and turn them into products that are nothing more than untested theory which will not hold a drop of water in the real world. The product is sold with hyped-up sales copy that promises quick profits with minimal work. The entire thing is a scam that's designed to mislead the clueless masses to part with their money while the vendors laugh all the way to the bank. Despite the proliferation and abundance of such products on Warrior Plus, these products still sell thousands of copies and nobody ever seems to be none the wiser. So whatever ethical debates we have, it's undeniable that make money online styled products / trainings sell extremely well on Warrior Plus. If you have a good product to sell, you just may clear a few thousand copies within a few days. It doesn't matter if you're showing how to profit with low content publishing or how to make affiliate sales with Quora marketing. What truly matters is that your product must work and be of use to the buyer. This will ensure that your reputation stays intact while the sales roll in. 2. WordPress plugins. WordPress plugins are hot sellers. Plugins that create legal pages, pop-ups, compress images on blogs, etc. are extremely useful for marketers. If you have a plugin that simplifies a process which is performed by thousands of marketers, you'll have a winning product on your hands. For example, Pop Under Pro is sold on Warrior Plus for $12.95. https://imincomlab.com/pop_under-pro v2/ it does one job, and it does it well, and it has sold over 1,000 copies so far. If your plugin is cheaper than a similar commonly used alternative, you can bet that tons of buyers will rush to grab what you're offering rather than paying for the more expensive option. 3. Traffic generation courses. You can never have too much traffic online. It's the lifeblood of any online business. Creating and selling courses teaching people how to drive traffic to their web properties can be very profitable. In fact, there's a course YT influencer that's currently being sold and it crossed the 1,000 copy mark in about 2 days. Not only does it show how to drive traffic with YouTube, but also how to leverage the traffic and profit with it. So it's basically a traffic and make money online course rolled into one. There are many social media platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest and so on. Showing people how to drive traffic from these sites or how to rank well on these platforms, SEO, will be very useful and helpful for many marketers. The more value you provide, the more in demand your course will be. 4. Software tools. Software tools are another hot seller. The problem here is that there are far too many vendors creating software which make bold promises but never live up to the hype. In many cases, the software either doesn't work or stops being supported because the vendor has run off and jumped onto the next cash grab, leaving all his past customers in the lurch. For example, if you're recreating a software tool that schedules social media posts, you'll probably get tons of sales. Just make sure you have the resources and your pricing makes sense so that you can keep supporting the software at no loss to yourself and no inconvenience to your customers. 5. PLR. PLR stands for Private Label Content, and it's one of the most popular types of products on Warrior Plus. When it comes to written content, it's easy to discern quality from clumsily written garbage. The problem here is that the reputable PLR sellers are few and far between. This also explains why PLR has a bad reputation among marketers. That said, the good PLR sellers can make thousands of dollars in sales because their content is outstanding. If you're a good writer, creating and selling PLR can be a highly profitable venture for you. 6. Trending products. Creating products on current trends can be very lucrative. For example, now that ChatGPT is popular, you'll see many vendors selling products related to this topic. AI tools are all the rage now, and creating info products showing how you can leverage these tools will definitely get lots of interest from the usual buyers on Warrior Plus. 7. Social media graphics and templates. Graphics, checklists, content calendars, email templates, and any other product that helps marketers reduce the hassles in their online marketing will always be welcome. One of the best-selling products on Warrior Plus is Matt Bakak S16K Swipes. It's basically a collection of 219 emails that Matt used in his email marketing. The reason this product sold so well is because buyers will have access to his emails, which are proven to work, and they can tweak these emails and use them in their own email marketing. This is definitely easier than writing emails from scratch and hoping they convert. Similarly, having editable graphics and templates will be a huge time saver. Checklists will help to keep one organized, especially when doing tasks that involve many steps. For example, optimizing a YouTube video so it ranks well. A checklist with the most important steps listed out will prevent the marketer from forgetting or inadvertently leaving out any steps when uploading the video. It's a godsend. Asterisk. What determines if your product will sell well? Here are a few rules of thumb. Asterisk. If you're showing the potential buyer how to make money with your training, legitimately, asterisk. Or if your product saves them time and money, e.g. checklists, asterisk. Or if your training shows them how to get more traffic, asterisk. Or your product is giving them information on leveraging the hottest trends, asterisk. Or if you have a plugin or software tool that will improve their processes, asterisk. Or if your PLR or templates will shortcut their content creation, chances are high that your product will do well on Warrior Plus and get lots of sales. Of course, you'll need to drive traffic to your offer and recruit affiliates, but once the fundamentals are in place and you're giving the people what they want, your product will sell hundreds or even thousands of copies. Vendors on Warrior Plus do it all the time, and so can you.
Okay, friends, so there you go. There's some information about Warrior Plus and what sells on Warrior Plus, and I have mixed feelings about Warrior Plus. I've never really had a bad experience on Warrior Plus like I have JVZoo, and I don't buy on JVZoo ever, but in the past I've bought on Warrior Plus, and lately, like the last 2 online purchases I've made have been off of Warrior Plus, and they call Warrior Plus like the swap meet of make money online. And the reason I don't feel bad buying there is that you spend like $7 or whatever, $7, $10, $5. You buy the front end at a real cheap price, and so if you get a few hours entertainment out of it, it's kind of worth it. I look at it sometimes as like I could go to the movies and see some Hollywood stuff, or I could just stay at home and buy a make money online product on Warrior Plus and like watch all the training videos and learn and try the new software and maybe use the new software a few times. But basically the front end prices are so low, as long as you're like getting entertained for a few hours. I never really have buyer's regret, but But the problem is that Warrior Plus is set up like a sales funnel. So you buy the front end cheap, and then it's like, wait, now you can get the Pro Edition for only $27 more. And now you can get traffic for $47. And now you can get coaching for $500. It's like, when you buy the front end product, they make a bunch of offers for other stuff you might want to buy. And I don't really like this system, because when I buy something, I just want what I bought. I'm not going to buy more until I use what I bought already. And so I'd much rather have a system where, like, you just buy the front end, and then you get instant access to the product you bought. And then there's options in the product to upgrade. Or you get emails that sell you the upgrades. That's just how I feel about it. And that's why I've never sold on Warrior Plus. Because I don't want to create some big ass funnel of like, buy this, now buy all this other crap, and I just don't want to do that to my customer, because I don't appreciate it, so I don't want to do that to my customer, which is basically why I stick to Gumroad. And I believe the video said that Gumroad has lower fees than Warrior Plus, but it has less bells and whistles as well, probably. And I know you can do affiliate marketing on Warrior Plus, and I even bought a training program about how to do affiliate marketing on Gumroad. You can do affiliate marketing on Gumroad. I've just never tried it. I've never had somebody who would help me test it, or who would want to be an affiliate for my products on Gumroad. So I've never tried their affiliate program or whatever, but you can do it on Gumroad, and Gumroad's just so much easier than Warrior Plus. You need like hosting for your sales page on Warrior Plus. And like you said, Warrior Plus has a bad reputation of being like junk products and stuff, and they, like he was saying, the deal of the day is often just a straight up scam, basically. But the seller has all the affiliates promote it, because so much of a Warrior Plus product depends on the sales page. And just so much, like, that's why I wish there was like matchmakers and make money online who could like match people up who are great at making offers and great at sales pages, and match them up with people who can do good content, who can like make good training videos and softwares and stuff. But so much of your Warrior Plus sales just depends on your sales page. And thanks so much for watching. Please join my newsletter. I got a newsletter. I'm going to give out a free gift with my newsletter if you sign up for my newsletter. If you're interested in my business, sign up for my newsletter, and there'll be a link in the description. And thanks so much.